How to Draw Alberto from Luca. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step of drawing Alberto from Luca, we're going to begin by drawing the outline of the face. Also, if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so we can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Nice job! Now on the very top of the head, we're going to begin to add in hair. Awesome job! Now on the left and right hand side of the face, we're going to begin to use C-like shapes to create the ears. Inside of each ear that we make, we're going to use a small curved line to add detail. Now let's move to the left side of the face and do the same thing that we just did on the right hand side. Now to add hair to the sides of the head, we're going to add in long curvy lines connecting the ear to the hair on the top of the head. Nice, and we'll do the same thing on the right hand side. Awesome, now we're all done making the outline of Alberto's head. Now we're going to begin to add detail inside of the face. We're going to add two circle-like shapes for the eyes. Inside of each circle that we draw, we're going to add in two more circles. We're going to add in one that will be completely black and very small, along with a second circle that will go on the outside of the black circle. This is how we will make Alberto's pupils. Great job learning how to draw hub crew. Later on in the video, we're going to color in Alberto's eyes a green color. Now let's move a little to the right and make the second eye of Alberto. Now below those two eyes and in the center of what we just made, we're going to begin to use a U-like shape to create the nose. Moving above the eyes, we're going to begin to draw the eyebrows. They're going to be slanted and they will look similar to rectangles. Nice! Now let's draw the second eyebrow a little to the left. Great job! Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Next, we're going to go right below the nose and we're going to begin to make an oddly shaped oval, which will make it appear as if Alberto's mouth is open. Now last but not least, inside of Alberto's mouth, we're going to begin to draw teeth. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Alberto. Now stick around till the very end so that we can call on our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.